Hey everybody, this is Jamila. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. I'm back on here for the Newbie Marketers. I hope you find this information I'm about to give you a little valuable. I wanted to give some insight on what newbie marketers usually go through and what challenges you have to face and your thought pattern. So first, we're going to start. This is going to be short and quick. It's just to kind of pick your brain a little bit on what do you want to do, what are your goals, what do you want to set, what is your accomplishments with becoming an online marketer. So first, we're going to go to what are your goals? What are your goals? What do you want to do with your online business? Are you looking for freedom with your time, with your kids? Are you ready to quit your job? Yes, quit your job and be able to do the things that you want to do. Are you able to help others? Are you willing to help someone else grow in this business also? There are a few things that you would have to do there, just to pick your brain a little bit. Do you want to leave a legacy for your kids? Because even though you work a 9-to-5 job, you may have a 401k plan, great. Even though you invest, how much of that are you going to have available to you when you finally do retire? After working 30 and 40 years, you have to keep putting money into that in order to retire. But you may have children like I do who are on their way to college right now, and you may not have the money set up. You may not be able to get scholarships. Hopefully you can for your child in order to get them off to college, get them ready for the next level, if that's what your child chooses to do. There are other ways to create income and to grow. College bound is my child because of the career field she wants to go into. But what are your goals? What do you want to accomplish with this business you're in? The products that you sell, is it long term? Are you selling a product that's not going to be there tomorrow? Just like a job, some of these products disappear. So make sure that you have a long-term goal when you become a newbie marketer. Look into it for 5 years. Is this still going to be available for 5 years? 5 years from now? Will I have something else to promote in 5 years? Would I be able to create my own product within the 5 years? There are things to think about when you want to become an online marketer. Next, what is your story? We all have a story. And I know most of our stories are, we're tired of the rat race. We don't want to keep on rushing off to work. I know that was my story. That is my story. I'm tired of the 9-to-5 rat race. Do you have the leadership skills? What is your story? What is your background? Make sure that you're going to give people your background. Be as real as possible. Be realistic with these people. Nobody's going to join you if you are sounding and looking just like the same mundane work from home jobs. Come on, join me. Yay, join me. I have the best. I have this. I have that. You hear it all the time. You've been searching for a long time, and I know that you're tired of hearing that drama too. But you still have a story to tell when you tell somebody your background. Make that part of your sales description. Let them know who you are, that you are a real person, that ordinary people can make money online. It's just not for the gurus out here who already made $1 million or $10 million, or they're showing you their back office, which it's always good to do, to promote, to let people know and get them to trust you. Is to show a little bit of your profit, because if you have nothing to show, then they be like, well, you're not making no money, so why am I going to join you? Which I understand, but overflowing it sometimes can be intimidating to another prospect, another person who's trying to come into the business. So be careful with that. Again, are you a leader? Do you know how to lead people, and do you know how to follow? Because even being in this business, you're going to have some training. You're going to constantly train. You're going to constantly learn. In this business, never stop learning. Never. I know that's a old saying that's tried and true, but never stop learning. Always continue to learn your business to grow, because even in a 9-to-5 rat race, there are always some changes in the company. and you have to learn what those changes are. So make sure you keep learning, and make sure you know how to lead others also, and be able to teach others what you've learned. This is a teaching game also, if you did not know, because once you learn something, you want to show it to somebody else. You don't always want to be selfish and hold it to yourself. You always want to give valuable information to someone else who's up and coming, because it's enough out here for everybody. We don't have to keep it all to ourselves. Teach somebody else what you've learned in order to help them grow. So, and my last point will be, have fun doing what you love to do. I love teaching people. I love people. I am a people person. I love interacting with people, and I love my freedom. This morning, I did not have to punch a clock. I had a realization. I said, oh, wow. I said, you know what? I dropped off the girls at school, and I said, you know what? As I was going home, I said, oh, I get to go home. That means I'm not going out here to go punch a clock, hurry up through traffic. And to me, it was stressful every morning trying to hurry up and get through traffic. I'm not a traffic person. I don't like traffic, just to let you guys know. And I had to go all the way to work, make sure I get there. And am I 5 minutes late? Oh my God, let me hurry up and punch this clock. I had a realization that I don't have to do that anymore. Right now, I am pursuing my dreams. So have fun pursuing your dreams. If this is something that you want to do for others, do it. Teach somebody. I see a lot of people, even in my friend group, my personal friends, just people who are struggling, who are trying to learn marketing, and I do have some knowledge to give, so I'm going to give that knowledge, and I'm having fun doing it. Look at these videos. I love these videos. Yes, I was camera shy too. I'm still a little bit camera shy, but I'm getting over it. But I was camera shy also. You may be camera shy. Get over it. Just do it. Go ahead and make a video. Video marketing is actually where it is right now. You're going to get more attention and gain more followers with video marketing. Get over yourself. You don't have to have the fancy equipment to start off. You know, everybody doesn't have that money, especially when you're starting fresh. You don't have the money to do that. Your phone is awesome. It's an awesome tool to start with. Grow, grow, grow. Build as you grow. As I said in my last video, build. You have to start somewhere. Start from here. Grow a little. Grow a little. Grow a little. Grow a little. The more you grow, the more equipment, more things that you'll have to make your business fantastic. So keep on going. I just want to encourage you to do that. Keep on growing and have fun. Have fun doing this. Don't just be bored. There are videos out here where people are just sitting there like, and this is how you do this, and this is how you do that, and this is how you do that. And you can learn. Listen, YouTube and Google are my friends, just to let you guys know. They're my friends. But if you want to be able to have fun, have time freedom, be with your kids, get up and go. They got a soccer game or a basketball game. They're on the academic games team like my children are. Dance, music. I have a lot going on. My children keep me busy enough that a 9-to-5 job is going to hold me up, because I have missed out a lot. I have missed a lot with working a 9-to-5, missed a lot of the events and everything for my children. But this is just an advice video. This is just to let you know that you can do it. Give you a little tidbits to start off with. Now, if you did find value and you want to know what I am doing in order to make this online marketing thing work for me, just go ahead and go down to the description, click the links that I have in here in the descriptions. It would bring you to my #1 money making online business. Also some tidbits on free leads, how to get free leads on there. There's a link there for that. And also, if you want to talk to me, come talk to me. I'm right here. I'm a real person. I have no problem with commenting back. Message me on Facebook. I'll put the link in the description also. And of course, like and subscribe and share my video if needed. Till the next video, guys, I appreciate you. Thanks for listening to me and this beautiful me. Just thanks for listening to me, and I'll talk to you later. Have an awesome day. Bye.